Challenged her. Check the lens cover.
Open it.
I'm trying to remember how. All right, Taylor.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got it now.
Taylor, move.
We're recording.
Hey, all right. This is off of the challenge from Hardin Rackley on this
That's me.
Yep.
Right here.
this water stuff to help out people. I'm the third person of the three. Taylor Hansen's done his. Wait, Taylor.
He wasn't a lazy old
Copper Springs.
Copper Springs.
Charlotte Rackley's done hers. Yay, she's
Right up the
handling the
Rowan.
camera right now.
She cried.
And
She
here
did
I
not.
go.
Here we go.
Hey, I'm the chicken. I can't jump in, so I'm going to have to walk in.
That's all right.
With that.
Let's get to it.
Come on.
Mom,
That middle fork, and it's very, 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 very cold. Take your socks off.
God.
Ah, look at her chill bumps.
We're running out of film. Oh, there she goes. Watch the creek rise 3 inches. Go under.
You have to go under for it to get there. You're wonderful. Does anyone have her a towel?
Towel!
Here. Take my jacket.
Good now. Emily's going.
Is it cold?
It's a little bitty red.
Thank you.
Woo!
Wrap it up.
And now it's Emily's turn.